Well, hi everybody, Bill here. What's a log tong? Not to be confused with a log thong. I'm going to show you here in a minute. I recently received this from Garvee. It's a log tong. Let's go out and see what it can do for us.
What is so exciting?
Well, I'm going to show you what's so exciting. I had some straight line winds come through and knocked down a lot of trees. And here's an apple tree, and you think, well, that'll just pull right out of the ground. But boy, it sure had a root system on it that made it kind of tough to pull. In this example, I've got it tied to the backhoe, thinking I could just arch it upward and pull it up and out of the ground. But that proved otherwise. I'll have to look up the specs in the John Deere manual.
It's very complicated.
Well, it's not complicated. I just probably put it in the wrong position. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and reposition the log tongs here. And then I'm going to lower the strap from the backhoe to the bottom of the tractor, to the drawbar. And I think that's going to work out a lot better. Now, I also found a big root in here, about the size of your fist. So I took the chainsaw and just clipped that to ensure I get it up and out of there. Well, it made a big difference, didn't it? You can see the big root in the left.
Hell yeah!
So let's go out in the timber now, where I've had a lot of timber damage, tree damage. And out here, the tops have been coming off. That doggone ash beetle has really put a hurt in my timber. All right, here I'm trying to pull it from the top, but the tongs let me know, put it on this way. So that really works nice for dragging some of that out. But the timber, where I can't get in with my tractor, I can get in there with this and drag it out without not scratching up my tractor, you know. Well, let's look at this one now.
That looks dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous. I'm far enough away from it. I'm in four-wheel drive on the tractor. And I intentionally pause as I pull the tension on it to kind of see how it's going to react. So a few more tugs here and we're going to get it.
Very exciting. Very exciting. It's like watching a birth.
I don't know about that. Anyways, the more I use these tongs, the more uses I'm finding for them. It's pretty nice just to be able to pull that out, attach to the logs, and pull them out of the brush and everything. Very handy. Well, after watching this, what do you think? How much is something like this worth?
70 grand.
No, not 70 grand. Look, go over to their website, check it out, use Bill 10 for a nice discount, and I think you'll be real happy with it. Take care, everybody, and I'll talk to you real soon. So long.